Hi, this is Linda with KC Creations, taking you on a tour of Birds, Bees, and Butterfly Journal. It measures 9 by 6. It has a 4.5 inch spine. It does have a hard cover made out of chipboard. There is a lavender bow here with some chiffon lavender ribbon tied around it. We've got some antique white lace here, big pocket that holds these cards. And there's your background image. All of the cards and tags throughout the journal are backed with another layer of cardstock so that they're very durable. This one has some colorful background in it. Anytime you see a ribbon, you're going to see a little eyelet in there, and I've done that to protect the holes over time so they won't tear out. And the little charms here are held on with bulb pins that work just like safety pins. You can open them up, add something if you want. We've got a little metal bee charm here, and I fussy cut out a bee. And then on this one, got pretty butterflies, and I've got this string here. There we go. Now fussy cut out a butterfly. It's got a little butterfly charm. And the last one is a pretty bird feather, little bird ticket with a bird charm on it. There's 3 sections in the journal, and they're held to the spine with this cotton twine. That way you could slide out the sections if you wanted, work on them, do some journaling, and slide them back in with these. All the colors of the streamers are colors that are used throughout the journal. Here is a lavender chiffon ribbon closure. Threads through the gold eyelets here, and I have finished off the ends so that they thread very easily through the journal. This is your first section. This is the birds. We've got some pink chiffon ribbon here. If I can get it untied without making a knot. There we go. We've got a little flip here. Little pocket says spring. These little cards. There's a little bird in a mason jar. Another little card. It's got a side ribbon on it. There is a long one. You could use this as a bookmark if you wanted. Place for journaling on the back. It does have a pull out from the top. There's a pretty cardinal sitting on a mailbox. Little tag, little bird charm. This is bright green chiffon ribbon. Swings open again. We've got another angled pocket with a feather, and it says a feather. And there's the background. These cards here. This side there is a flip also. I've made a vellum window, and I put a little topper on it of the background of the paper here so the vellum doesn't tear, because it will crack unless you protect it over time. There's a little bird ticket and another little ticket that says birds, and a little poem that says a bird does not sing because it has an answer, it sings because it has a song. I thought that was cute. Let's go back in here. We've got to pull out from the top. Get the right angle, there we go. Got a pretty bird under here. Bright yellow chiffon ribbon. Little egg tag with a bird. swings open. Another little pocket says, until you spread your wings, you'll have no idea how far you can fly. And it holds these cards. Another pretty cardinal. Here's an angled pocket. It says sweet. Got a little bird in a birdhouse in his little cage. Here's the pretty background. And a large card for lots of journaling on it. This way. Got another ankle pocket, and this little saying says, a heart without dreams is like a bird without feathers. Just a little ticket, a little tiny card. And some big cards here. There's a bird egg with a bird on it. Pretty nest. Of feathers there. On this side, another flip. This time I've cut out the egg and made it into a pocket to hold these little cards. Lots of pretty bright colors. It has a pull out from the top. Little bird charm here again. Little guy under control. Little tag. It's a pretty bright red ribbon. Swings open. Got a pocket here. I've fussy cut out a little bird to make a tuck spot for this wee little tag. Wee little guy. These cards. Pretty bird. Mason jar with a bird's nest. Here we have a flip. I've got an acetate window here. I've cut out a bird feather fussy cut and a fussy cut bird. Here it says bird. The bottom, these little dangles, and the little dangles are backed also. This is a good journal if you're ready for spring. It flips open. Another little pocket here. It says birds of a feather. Get this guy under control here. And we've got these two cards. Pretty metal bird cage. And here we have a side band that holds all these guys. This would make a good bookmark also. And we have a little bottle with some birds in it. There's a pull out from this side. This bright pink chiffon ribbon. Just goes back in the hidden pocket. It opens up. And I've fussy cut out these flowers to make a little pocket. These larger cards. There's room in here. You could stick something else in there if you want. This is your center, and I've got a little bird here, and you just turn it. It opens up. I've got these large cards here. There's 4 of them all together. nice colors. Just turn it back around. So guys, want to flip the other way. Here is the B section. Got bright yellow chiffon ribbon. Got a little flip up here on the top. I've cut out this little honey jar that holds these little guys. I've cut out some little bees. These are little charms. And a pull out from the side, little bead charm, tags, open, got a little pocket, says Queen Bee, these cards. That background is a honeycomb. Over here we have a big vellum pocket, and I've cut out this little beehive to hold these little tickets. Little bow, baker's twine, and it holds all these cards. On this one, it's a guest check, and I've cut out a large bee to hold the little jar and the little tag. Excuse me. And it has a pull out from the top. It says, life is a flower for which love is the honey. And then we have this large card. I've got fuzzy cut out a bee here. Got a little pull there of 1/2 inch bright yellow ribbon. Flips open again. Here I've got a jar of honey that I've fussy cut to make a little tuck spot for these little guys. It's an old-timey beehive. And then I have fussy cut this out of the honeycomb to make a big pocket for these cards. And again, I've made the little card have its own little tuck spot, its own little pocket there, little bee on the top. And another large one. Again, you could use it as a bookmark. On this side, another big bee I've made into a little tuck spot. Lots of bees. It has a pull out from the top. It says save the bees, little bee charm. Flips open. I cut out some flowers to make a tuck spot for these guys, and they have their own little pull tabs on the side. Here we have a flip, another vellum pocket, says busy little bee. There's a jar of honey and new beekeeping guide. Pull out from the top. open, get a side band, little ticket, little bee card, bunch of little bees. Here's recipe for honey gingerbread. Up here we have a little flip. There's this little tag that says bee journal and a little bee. Pull out from the side. It's got its own little dangles, a little tiny ticket, little bee. This is queen bee. Swings open. This is the beekeeper. These little guys, pure honey. Little bee. On each corner of this little tag. Here we have another flip. It comes out of the belly band. I can get everybody under control. My goodness. Here we go. There's the band. Lots of room in there. Got to pull out from the bottom, and I've put some coffee stained lace as its pull. Pocket says beekeeping. Holds these cards. And it flips open. Flower here. I have made a little band out of it, all these cards. There's a pull out here. Swings open. Got a vellum pocket, little topper on it. There's these big cards. There's the pretty background. Now we come to the butterflies. These are super vivid images here. It's got a bright green chiffon ribbon as its closure. Little flip here. Vellum pocket, cut out a little butterfly there. These cards. Little butterfly charm. See, cut out a butterfly. Little tiny tag. Open. I put a butterfly here. This little butterfly. Here we have a band, put a butterfly on it to hold these cards. And I added a little butterfly here. Opens. Pocket here, little butterfly. these cards. How vivid that is. And the pocket is part of the back image, so you can see where it completes the butterflies there. Butterfly here. Vivid colors to bring in the spring. Here we have a little flip. Pull out from the bottom from the acetate window, and I've put some butterflies here and here. As a decoration, little butterfly charm, tiny little butterfly. Opens up. We've got a pocket here, another little butterfly. And we've got some cards. Beautiful butterflies. Of course, who doesn't like butterflies? It swings open. Angled pocket, another little butterfly here. Got a little scalloped edge with a pretty butterfly and the flowers. Here's an angled pocket. There's your image underneath. Another little butterfly I've stuck on here. From the side, tags here, opens up. We've got that pretty design there. Pulls all of these little guys. I think there is, in all of this journal, I used 8 different journal sets to get all the images that I wanted. Here we have an angle band, and I've glued some butterflies on it. Pretty green butterfly. It's got enough slack that you could slide something else if you wanted it in there. And this is the very inside back, and this is your actual journal. It's held on with an antique bronze clip with some yellow chiffon ribbon. This is a little pen or pencil holder. You stick it right there in the hole. It's got the twine closure, so you could find center, slide whatever you want under it, remove the pages, whatever you would like to do. There is 30 double-sided pages in here of all the backgrounds that were used throughout the journal. And that concludes our tour. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed it.